Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring the language course, that is a German language course, and this course is available on all three levels, that is introductory level, beginner level, intermediate level and advanced level. So we'll move on to the content, and before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So now we'll move on to the website. So here is the website. First I will tell you the information regarding the courses, each course, then I will tell you that how you can enroll for this course and learn the German language. So first we will start from the beginner level, then we will go to the intermediate, then advanced level, and link for this language course I will provide on the description part, so don't worry about it. So our first course here, the beginner level German language course, which is relevant to the places and people, and certification also provide freely for this course. Duration for this course is 5 hours, that is introductory level, and these are the information about the course, that is course description, course content and the course review. So everything you can go through it and read all these contents. So without wasting a time, we will go to the second content, that is our beginner German language, which is relevant to the food and drink. So see here, certification is free and duration is 6 hours, level 1, that is introductory level, and same as the previous one, course description, course content and course review. So now we'll move on to the next one, our intermediate German, that is relevant to the word of work, and certification provided here free, duration is 8 hours and that is level 2 intermediate level course, and same as the previous one, course description, course content and course review. So our next intermediate course is relevant to understanding spoken German. So certification also provided freely and duration is 6 hours study. So we'll go to the content, course description, course content and course review. You can go through all these. So next we'll move on to the advanced German language course. See here, that is an advanced German which is relevant to the regional landscape, and certification also provide freely, and the duration is 15 hour study, which is the level 3 advanced course. Course description here, course content and course review. After that we'll go to the advanced next, that is relevant to the language, culture and history, and see here, certification provide freely and the duration for this course is 12 hour study, that is a level 3 advanced course. Same as the previous one, course description, course content and course review. So these are the courses. After that we'll go to the enrollment option. So click on enter course. See here, after entering course it will ask create account or sign in. So click on create account or sign in. So new visitor and the previous visitor, if you new visitor, go to the create account option, then provide this information, your title, your full name, that is first name, surname, date of birth, email address, retype your email address, phone number, password and retype your password. Phone number is optional, you can put it also or leave it. So click on I accept the term. So you can select would you like to hear from us, yes or no, then click on submit option. I already have account on this, that's why I will go to the sign in option, click on sign in, then it will ask for email ID and password, username and password, enter that and click on sign in. So first we have to create the account, then after creating an account it will load here. See here, it will show the enroll now option, or you can go through this enter course. Click on enter course after creating the account, then it will show this way. Click on enroll now option, then you can continue the study for this course, and after completing this course you will get the certificate. And I hope this video will be helpful for you to learn the German language course, and if you have any suggestion then comment below down so that I will help you out. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. And share this video to your friend circle and the needed person so that they will use this opportunity. So we'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.